Hello everyone. This video will teach you how to copy a video in EdPuzzle and then edit it to your liking. So once you create an account in EdPuzzle, this is somewhat what your home screen will look like. So your trending videos may vary based on the subject that you teach. So at the top, this content tab will be your copied videos or your edited videos. If you've assigned this to classes, you'll be able to see your classes in My Classes, and then you'll be able to see students' grades in the grade book. So if we look at this left side, you have a few different tabs that you can use to pick from for your videos. Popular ones are EdPuzzle, YouTube, and Khan Academy. I'll choose YouTube so you can see an example of copying and editing a video. So I will pick the topic congruent triangles. Okay, so you could look through any of these videos and preview them. I'll pick this first one. Okay, so I'm going to play the video.
Let's talk a little bit about congruence. And one way to think about congruence, it's really kind of
Okay, so once you finish watching your video, if you decide that it's something that you like, you could copy it to your content, or you could just edit it here. I'll copy it over just so I can make a brand new copy. If I go up to the content tab, here it is as my first video. So I'll click this first video. Now I have some additional options on the right side now that it's under my content. If I'm happy with the way the video is right now, I could assign it to my class. Most likely you would want to add additional notes, multiple choice questions, or open-ended questions. Okay, so if we click edit, okay, here is where you could add a voiceover, you could cut the video to your liking, or we could add in some questions. So let's take a look at the questions tab at the top. Okay, so you can play the video.
Let's talk a little bit about congruence. And
okay, once you find a spot where you'd like to add in a multiple choice question, open-ended question, or note, you can make sure your little circle is hovering over the correct spot at the bottom. And then I could choose any of these three options and you can add them in at any point that you like. So if I click multiple choice question, okay, you can type in your question here at the top, and then you could write in your possible answer choices. Also, a selection for add another answer choice. Also want to make sure that you're clicking the check mark if the answer it should be correct, or the X if it's incorrect. Okay, we also have some other options to pick from. You could also pick an open-ended question if you would like your students to type in an answer into the text box, or if we click note, you could enter your note here in this box, or you could click the microphone and you could talk into your microphone to add an audio note as well. And you can do that as many times as you like throughout the whole video. And remember, there's also options to select closed captioning. And you can also create your video so that students cannot just skip over the questions, but they must answer the questions or listen to the notes so that the video will continue.